We have been talking about photography services, what they are, and how they can benefit your business. But in this video, we are going to discuss our top promo video services that can help take your brand to the next level. So stay tuned till the end. Hey everybody, welcome back to another amazing episode. Today we are diving into the world of promotional videos and why they are a must for any brand looking to make waves in 2025. We all know that in today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for success. And what better way to achieve that than through the power of promo videos? They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but when it comes to promo videos, it's an entirely different ballgame. A well-crafted promo video has the power to captivate your audience, convey your brand message, and drive sales like magic. It's no wonder why businesses across all industries are jumping on the promo video bandwagon. Whether you are a startup looking to make a splash or an established brand seeking to refresh its marketing strategy, promo videos are the ultimate game changer. So sit back, relax, and get ready to unlock the secrets of promo video success. Let's go. 1. Photography. In the realm of visual content, photography plays a pivotal role in showcasing products or services in a captivating and memorable way. Our team of expert photographers is dedicated to capturing the essence of your brand through high-quality images that tell a story. Whether you need product shots, lifestyle imagery, or behind-the-scenes glimpses, we've got you covered. Our state-of-the-art equipment and creative flair ensure that every photograph is a masterpiece. At Image Direct Media, we understand that each brand is unique, and we take the time to tailor our photography services to meet your specific needs. From concept to execution, we work closely with you to bring your vision to life. No project is too big or too small for our talented photographers, who are passionate about delivering exceptional results. So if you're ready to elevate your brand with stunning visuals, look no further. 2. Video. In today's fast-paced digital world, video marketing has become an indispensable tool for businesses looking to connect with their target audience on a deeper level. Our video production services are designed to captivate your viewers and leave a lasting impression. With a team of experienced videographers and editors, we create cinematic videos that showcase your brand's unique personality and values. Whether you need product demos, testimonials, or behind-the-scenes footage, we have the expertise to bring your ideas to life. At Image Direct Media, we leverage the latest technology and industry best practices to deliver top-notch video content. We believe that every video should be a reflection of our clients' dedication to excellence, and we work tirelessly to ensure that each project exceeds expectations. So if you're ready to take your video marketing to the next level, let us be your trusted partner in crafting compelling and impactful video content. 3. Aerial photography. Our aerial photography services offer a unique and breathtaking perspective that can take your marketing efforts to new heights. Using drones equipped with higher resolution cameras, we capture stunning aerial images that showcase your property, event, or location in a captivating way. Whether you're a real estate agent, event planner, or business owner, our aerial photography will give you a competitive edge. We offer various aerial photography packages to suit your needs, including property showcasing, event coverage, and 360-degree virtual tours. Our team of skilled drone pilots and photographers prioritize safety and adhere to all regulations to ensure seamless operations. Transform the way you market your offerings by capturing the wow factor of a bird's eye view with Image Direct Media's aerial photography services. 4. Aerial video. In today's highly visual world, capturing attention and leaving a lasting impression are crucial for any brand or business. That's where our aerial video services come into play. With our state-of-the-art drones equipped with high-definition cameras, we offer a unique perspective that sets us apart from traditional videography. Whether you want to showcase a property, promote an event, or highlight a special location, our aerial video services provide a captivating way to do so. Our team of experienced drone operators and videographers ensure smooth and safe flights, while capturing stunning footage that brings your vision to life. From real estate agents looking to showcase properties to event planners wanting to create memorable highlights, our aerial video services cater to a wide range of needs. Elevate your marketing strategy and captivate your audience with the power of aerial videography. 5. Virtual tours. Embark on an immersive journey with our cutting-edge 360-degree virtual tour solutions. Whether you're showcasing a property, a venue, or an exhibit, our interactive virtual tours allow potential buyers, renters, or visitors to explore spaces like never before. With high-resolution images and seamless navigation, these virtual tours provide a realistic and engaging experience from the comfort of any device. Our team utilizes the latest technology and industry best practices to create virtual tours that are not only visually stunning, but also user-friendly. So whether you're in real estate, hospitality, or any other industry that relies on space exploration, our virtual tour services are the perfect solution to bring your properties to life and leave a lasting impression on your audience. 6. Headshots. First impressions matter, and your headshot is often the first impression you make in both professional and personal settings. At Image Direct Media, we understand the importance of having a high-quality headshot that conveys confidence, credibility, and warmth. Our professional photographers specialize in capturing headshots that make you stand out from the crowd. Whether you're an actor, model, entrepreneur, or professional, we'll work with you to create a headshot that reflects your unique personality and style. We believe that everyone has something special to offer, and we strive to bring that out in every headshot session. Our goal is to make you feel comfortable and confident in front of the camera, so that your authentic self shines through. So if you're ready to invest in a headshot that truly represents who you are and what you bring to the table, look no further than Image Direct Media. 7. 2D floor plans. Are you looking to buy, sell, or rent a property? Do you want to showcase your floor plan in a visually appealing and easy-to-understand way? Look no further than our 2D floor plan services. Our team of expert designers creates detailed and accurate 2D floor plans that help you communicate your property layout effectively. We understand the importance of providing a clear and concise representation of a space, and we take pride in our ability to create floor plans that meet the needs of our clients. Whether you are a real estate agent, architect, interior designer, or homeowner, our 2D floor plans can help you bring your vision to life. Contact us today to learn more about our 2D floor plan services and how we can help you make your property stand out from the competition. 8. Unleash your brand's potential with Image Direct Media's promo magic. In today's highly competitive market, it's crucial for brands to stand out and make a lasting impression. That's where our promo video services come into play. We specialize in creating eye-catching and engaging videos that showcase your products, services, or brand in a unique and memorable way. Our team of experienced videographers and editors utilize the latest technology and industry best practices to craft videos that not only look great, but also drive results. Whether you want to promote a new product launch, increase brand awareness, or drive sales, our promo videos are designed to help you achieve your marketing goals. So if you're ready to take your brand to the next level and make a statement, look no further than Image Direct Media. Contact us today to unleash the promo magic. 9. Elevate your marketing. Crafting unforgettable promo videos with Image Direct Media. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a strong online presence is crucial for any brand looking to succeed. That's where promo videos come in. At Image Direct Media, we understand the power of video marketing, and we are here to help. You craft unforgettable promo videos that will set you apart from the competition. Our team of experienced videographers and marketing experts will work closely with you to understand your brand, target audience, and marketing goals. We'll then develop a customized promo video strategy that utilizes the latest trends and technologies to create a video that is not only visually stunning, but also drives results. Whether you want to promote a new product, increase brand awareness, or drive sales, Our promo videos are designed to help you achieve your marketing objectives. So if you're ready to elevate your marketing strategy and connect with your audience on a deeper level, look no further than Image Direct Media. Contact us today to learn more about our promo video services and take your brand to new heights. Number 10. Unlock the secrets. How Image Direct Media transforms your vision into stunning promo videos. Are you ready to take your brand to the next level with eye-catching and effective promo videos? Look no further than Image Direct Media. We are a leading provider of promo video services that help businesses of all sizes showcase their products, services, and brand in a unique and memorable way. Our team of experienced videographers and editors utilize the latest technology and industry best practices to transform your vision into a stunning reality. We take the time to understand your target audience and marketing goals so that we can create a video that resonates with your viewers and drives results. Whether you want to promote a new product launch, increase brand awareness, or drive sales, our promo videos are designed to help you achieve your marketing objectives. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of successful promo videos, contact Image Direct Media today and let us help you create a video that you and your viewers will love. Number 11. Image Direct Media, your ultimate partner for impactful promotional content in 2025. In today's highly competitive market, it's crucial for brands to stand out and make a lasting impression on their target audience. That's where Image Direct Media comes in, your ultimate partner for creating impactful promotional content in 2025. We specialize in crafting eye-catching and engaging videos that showcase your products, services, or brand in a unique and memorable way. Our team of experienced videographers and editors stays ahead of the curve, incorporating the latest trends and technologies to create videos that not only look great, but also drive results. Whether you want to promote a new product, increase brand awareness, or drive sales, our promo video services are designed to help you achieve your marketing goals. At Image Direct Media, we take a collaborative approach, working closely with you to understand your brand, target audience, and desired outcomes. We take the time to listen to your needs and develop a customized strategy that aligns with your vision and budget. Our goal is to help you succeed, and we are committed to delivering exceptional results that exceed your expectations. Number 12. Ready to stand out. Discover Image Direct Media's game-changing promo video solutions. In today's fast-paced digital world, it's crucial for businesses to stay ahead of the curve and embrace innovative marketing strategies to reach their target audience effectively. One such strategy is through the use of eye-catching and informative promo videos. However, creating high-quality promo videos that deliver a strong return on investment can be a daunting task for many businesses. This is where Image Direct Media comes in, a leading provider of game-changing promo video solutions. With years of experience in the industry, Image Direct Media has a proven track record of helping businesses of all sizes create stunning promo videos that elevate their brand and drive results. Whether you're looking to promote a new product, increase brand awareness, or drive sales, Image Direct Media has the expertise and creativity to help you achieve your marketing goals. Number 13. Transform your brand. The power of Image Direct Media's promo videos. In today's highly competitive market, it's essential for businesses to find innovative ways to stand out and connect with their target audience. That's where Image Direct Media comes in. We specialize in creating powerful promo videos that transform brands and captivate audiences. Our team of experienced videographers and marketing experts understand the importance of creating a memorable and impactful video that showcases your unique value proposition. Whether you're launching a new product, promoting a special event, or simply looking to increase brand awareness, our promo videos are designed to make a lasting impression. We work closely with you to understand your target market and craft a video that resonates with them on an emotional level. Our state-of-the-art equipment and editing techniques ensure that your video is not only visually stunning, but also drives results, ready to take your brand to the next level. Contact us today to learn more about our promo video services. Number 14. Discover how Image Direct Media boosts your marketing strategy with stunning visuals. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business looking to succeed. And one of the most effective ways to achieve that is through stunning visuals. Image Direct Media is here to help you take your marketing strategy to the next level with our exceptional photography and videography services. Our team of experienced professionals understands the power of visual content, and we rededicated to creating high-quality images and videos that showcase your brand in the best possible light. Whether you need product photography, lifestyle imagery, or promotional videos, we've got you covered. We use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to deliver eye-catching visuals that will make your target audience stop and take notice. Number 15. Want eye-catching promo videos? Here's why Image Direct Media is your go-to agency. In today's highly competitive market, it's essential for businesses to stand out and make a lasting impression on their target audience. And one of the most effective ways to achieve that is through eye-catching promo videos. Want eye-catching promo videos? Here's why Image Direct Media is your go-to agency. With years of experience in the industry, Image Direct Media has a proven track record of helping businesses of all sizes create stunning promo videos that elevate their brand and drive results. Our team of experienced videographers and editors utilizes the latest technology and trends to create videos that are not only visually appealing, but also effective in achieving your marketing goals. Number 16. Unlock unmatched engagement. Image Direct Media's proven promo video techniques. In today's digital age, capturing the attention of your target audience is crucial for success. Are you ready to unlock unparalleled engagement and take your brand to new heights? Look no further than Image Direct Media, your premier destination for innovative and results-driven promo video services. Our proven techniques are guaranteed to captivate your audience and leave a lasting impact. Whether you're a startup looking to make a splash or an established brand seeking to refresh its marketing strategy, our team of experts will work closely with you to understand your unique vision and target market. We leverage the latest industry trends and cutting-edge technology to craft compelling narratives that resonate with your viewers and drive conversions. Number 17. Crafting your vision. How Image Direct Media elevates promotional content in 2025. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, having a strong online presence is no longer an option, it's a necessity. As businesses of all sizes seek to connect with their target audience in more meaningful ways, the demand for high-quality promotional content has never been greater. That's where Image Direct Media comes in, your trusted partner in crafting exceptional promotional materials that elevate your brand and drive results. Our team of experienced professionals understands the power of visual storytelling, and we rededicated to creating eye-catching and engaging content that makes your business stand out from the crowd. Whether you need stunning product photography, captivating video content, or immersive virtual tours, we've got you covered. And there you have it, folks. 17 incredible promo video services that can take your brand to the next level. We hope this video has inspired you to think outside the box and explore the endless possibilities of promo videos. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of marketing, innovation is key, and promo videos are a fantastic way to keep your brand fresh, engaging, and memorable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts and see which promo video services you are most excited about. And hey, if you're looking to take your brand to the next level with our top-notch promo video services, look no further. Click the link below to learn more, and let's create something amazing together. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep those promo videos coming.